Good morning, welcome to the Panic Land. Today's video is a laundry motivation / my first ever question and answers. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kelsey. I make cleaning motivation, how-tos, and cook with me's. Let's get to the questions. Question number 1. One place I hate to clean. My bedroom, my closet, and all the other rooms upstairs. It's just the closets, just throw them in. No one can see it. It's perfect. Question number 2. One place I love to clean. My kitchen, living room, dining room, and also the entryway. Because I love to clean in the morning and the sun is pointed directly at those windows. So all the light comes in there. So when I clean, I don't have to use as much light because I have the sun shining through. And that also answers question number 3. What is my favorite time to clean? And I gotta say the morning because the sun is just perfect. Question number 4. What is my favorite cleaner? My favorite cleaner, I have to say, is Methods. I tried the Mrs. Meyer's, as you saw recently, and I actually got sick from it because it's too strong. So I gotta say the Methods is my favorite. From the scent, lavender, I think pink grapefruit, the glass cleaner, the mint glass cleaner, anything that smells really good, but not too strong. I also love the Dawn dish soap. It just cleans so great, and I love that it dries so fast when I do the dishes. Doing the dishes for me is so relaxing, so I don't put them into the dishwasher very much. So something that makes it dry really fast is just so amazing. This is also for question 5, favorite product and why. Question number 6, what makes me stay consistent on YouTube? That would be watching the big YouTubers like This Crazy Life or Crazy Cleaning Mama. I love going to their oldest videos to see where they started. You'll see that they don't have any lights, they don't have big videos and all that stuff, and that inspires me to keep going because everyone starts at 0 and then they grow. So if I start at 0 and I can grow too, you can also. I also love to motivate you. If one person leaves my video motivated, it just makes me so happy. It means the world to me. And that's why I started a YouTube channel, was because I wanted to motivate someone who felt like they couldn't do it with a baby or whatever it may be. I want to be there for you. Question number 7. What do I do for a living? I am a stay-at-home mom, and now I'm also a YouTuber. Before I had my baby a year ago, I was also a stay-at-home wife. I just figured, why not pick up a camera and motivate you guys? But I've been doing the same thing for 8 years now. I love it, and I wouldn't want to be doing anything different. I get to stay at home with my daughter and play with her, play bubbles, clean when it's dirty, and also motivate you. Question number 8. What's your favorite food? This one here is a hard one. I am a huge foodie. I love food. I love Chipotle, the burritos, or a bowl. I love this time of year because I get to bake casseroles, lasagna, tartar hot dish. I love ribs, cornbread, corn. This list could go on and on, the whole entire video. Question number 9. YouTube schedule. Days I focus on filming and editing. For the YouTube schedule, I really don't have a schedule. Mondays, I just wake up really early around 5 to get everything done. And that's also my cleaning days because I'm so motivated to make a video. And same for Tuesday. Wednesday is kind of my, I'm so tired. I woke up at 5 Monday and Tuesday, so I'm just going to sleep. And then Thursday is kind of my Monday, Tuesday again, also Friday. And then on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday are my days to just spend with the family, watch movies, don't even care, anything like that. And then I do it all over again on Monday. I wake up at 5 and then continue. Those are for my cleaning and filming schedules. But for the editing part, after I get up at 5 and I walk, at 6 o'clock, my little one and my husband are still sleeping. So then I will go upstairs and I will edit until about 8 o'clock when they wake up. And then I also check the keywords and have them all saved to my computer. So that way all I got to do is just copy, paste, done. And that's really just my YouTube schedule. On Saturdays, I also upload my YouTube videos, that way it's ready for Monday. Question number 10. What made you start a YouTube channel? Well, I found cleaning motivation on YouTube and I was watching for a really long time and I was like, wow, that's really cool. And someone said, all you have to do is pick up a camera. And I was like, well, I've been cleaning the house for like 8 years. I can pick up a camera. I have a camera. I can do this. And then I had my little one and I was like, well, how do I clean the house with a baby and how do I get motivated and all this stuff? And I was like, I wonder if there's other mothers who feel that way. So I wanted to start a channel so that way I could motivate new mothers or mothers who are having a hard time and leave my videos and feel so motivated to get up and clean. Question number 11. Advice for small YouTubers trying to grow their channel. This question is kind of hard for me because I'm still a small YouTuber and I'm just doing my best. I made a video about how I got 1,000 subscribers, so I won't get into a whole lot about that. Check that out. But for doing less supports, that helped me so much. I know a lot of people said that they hate asking for people to subscribe to their channel. It's not begging or anything. It's not sub for sub. If you look at the big YouTube channels, they still ask people for subscribers. And that helped my channel a lot. The second thing that I just started doing was make a watch hour calendar. And if you would like a video on this, I will totally make a video so that way you can do this too. Before I started this calendar, I think I was at roughly around 200 watch hours. And I just checked today and I'm at 430, I believe. So that's really impressive. This has helped my channel a lot. For right now, that's the only advice I have because like I said, I am still a small YouTuber and I'm still trying to figure this all out. So I mentioned the watch hour calendar. If you want to be put onto my calendar, leave me a comment down below. Or if you want a video on how I do the watch hour calendar, let me know also. Sorry, I ran out of videos, but I have so many questions to answer still. Question number 12. How did I meet my hubby? I was actually a temp at his job and I ran into him and we started talking and we started hanging out and then we started going out. Then 3 years after that, we got married. And then 3 years after that, we had our first daughter together. Question number 13. How old am I? I am 27. Question number 14. Do I have any kids? If so, how old? We only have one kid and she is 20 months old. Thank you so much for watching and also participating with the questions on Instagram. And I would love to do this again sometime.